Today you and I are going to get some clearance issues that occurred over the top of my passing when I installed my Helix, but we're going to get them cleared up. Next we're going to test the 3 turnouts that had to be relayed when we connected the Helix and the new spur by running trains through them. And if you're a YouTube creator, it's important that you stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a free and easy way to make this picture right here easily readable and understandable.
Much math and consideration went into, Much math and consideration did go into the clearance of the main line when the Helix was installed, but not the passing. Once it got in and the Helix got set, I noticed that I didn't have enough clearance. So I had to hollow out the water resin, pull out the old bridge, put in a thinner piece of hardboard that fit well, and some cork. I did some sanding, and I got it down to near 2 inches, about 1 3/4 inches, which gives me about 1/4 inch of clearance. I'd like to have more, but it's plenty. My tallest car has about 1/4 inch clearance. I did go through with a sanding block and make it as smooth as I could. Unfortunately, there is a significant dip there, and I had to put weight on the track to get it down. I didn't like doing that, but there wasn't any choice. But at the end, we are done. We do have enough clearance. That is my tallest car in my fleet right there, and I'm showing you that it will clear. So the project was successful to this point.
All right, everybody, you're looking at the 4 turnouts on the bottom level of my layout, a very crude drawing I made. This top one here, the single one, is not involved in this video, the test or the connection. In these graphics and this data on this picture, this is the tip creators that I'm going to give you at the end, the free app that I'm going to share with you. The 3 turnouts that are involved in the connection are lumped up right here in the middle. One of them's brand new and the other 2 had to be relayed. The very top one is the new one, and that runs through the main and can be backed into the spur where I can load logs at my watermill for some ops. All right, the middle one is the main that runs straight through and can be entered from the passing, and then the bottom one can go to the main and into the terminus.
And here comes the AAB unit down the passing through the middle turnout into the main. From the passing into the main through the middle turnout. Backing from the main through the middle turnout into the passing and coming back into the terminus. The AAB setup works good on my layout. Backing out of the terminus into the passing through the bottom turnout, through the middle turnout, into the main. And then we come through the passing, through the middle turnout, into the main. Through the main, through the middle turnout, and here we're going to back into the new spur from the main, top turnout, the new turnout, backing through the watermill. Love that. Coming out of the watermill and through the top turnout, back into the main through the middle turnout. Turnouts are running good, y'all. Pecos for sure. All right. Here we come through and back through the main, the top turnout, and back into the spur by the watermill. Pick up the logs, come back out through the top turnout, through the middle turnout, into the main. This is the top turnout. Very important, obviously, that this works well because this accesses the next 3, so we don't need any flanges off or anything there. Coming through into the passing there from the main. And through the passing one more time. Showing you the clearance from the backside. It's close, but the closer it is, the better in my opinion if it's not touching. It looks really cool. And the last look. We're about to put some cars on and run through here. Coming through the passing with some freight. Tallest cars right up front there, so we're good. Looks good, good clearance. And there we go. Close look showing you a 1/4 inch there. Probably wouldn't want to get any taller cars. Coming through from this side. Pretty smooth through the middle turnout, back into the main. And here we come in from a day of work, a day of running freight, pulling into the terminus.
Here comes the free tip, the free app that I use that's easy to use to help me edit my photos, and it is called Sketch, everybody. It's Android and iPhone. It's free. It's very easy to use. Go to the App Store, download it. Sketch, y'all.
One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.